Welcome to this course on Peanut Lab installation. In this particular module, we are going to take a look at the installation of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is actually a modern open source operating system. It's Linux based, a Debian distribution derivative that can be used on laptops, on desktops, on servers. It can be used for lab simulations like your EVNG, your Peanut Lab, can be used on cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, your Google Cloud platform, and many more. To ensure that our Peanut Lab installation is successful, we'll be making use of Ubuntu. There are various versions, just like how you have Windows 7, Windows 8, you have Windows 8.1, you have Windows 10, and you have Windows 11. For Ubuntu, there are lots of versions also. You have version 18, you have version 20, you have version 22, and many more. So for this particular version of Peanut Lab, which is Peanut Lab version 6, the operating system version that works perfectly with it is actually the Ubuntu version 20. So we're going to be downloading the Ubuntu version 20 server ISO file. Now there are two types of installation images. There is the desktop image. The desktop image is usually graphical. It comes with a GUI, meaning that you can log into Ubuntu, you would see, images, you'd see the desktop clickable items that you can work with. But for the server install image, it's actually more like CLI. It gives you it's a core that allows you to do all your configurations from the terminal. So the server install image is going to be our preferred method because it is very light. If you want to download the server install image, you can make use of the link in the description below. This server install image can be installed directly on your bare metal. If you remember, we said there are two types of virtualization. There's the type 1 and there's also the type 2 virtualization. In your type 1 virtualization, you are installing the operating system directly on a physical server or directly on a laptop. There is no other underlying OS. There is no other underlying hypervisor. So if you're installing Ubuntu directly on your server or on your laptop, then that's your type 1. In your type 2 virtualization, usually you would want to install the host operating system. As an example, you might want to install Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then after the installation of your Windows 10 and 11, you can install an hypervisor like your VMware ESSI. You can install your VMware workstation. You can install even your hypervisor. It's possible to install your ESSI directly, and then inside that ESSI, you're installing Ubuntu. That's type 2. So you install the ESSI, the VMware ESSI .iso file. You install it directly on your physical server or laptop, and then you install your Ubuntu in it. If you do that, that's type 2. Or maybe you install Windows 10, and inside that Windows 10, you're now installing your VMware workstation, or you're installing Oracle VirtualBox. If you do something like that, then that's your type 2 virtualization, because you have the physical server, you then have your Windows 10 installed on it, and then you have your VMware workstation installed, and then inside that VMware workstation, you are now installing Ubuntu, and then inside the Ubuntu, you still install Peanut Lab. So that's your nested virtualization. That's your type 2. For the purpose of this course, we're going to be focusing on firstly the bare metal method, and then second, maybe later on, we can go about the type 2 virtualization as well. So in both cases, we'll still need to download the Ubuntu operating system. So to perform that download, we'll need to visit this URL to make our download. So let's see how this is done.